Hello everyone, this is Matt from Real World Review, and today I want to talk to you guys about a little situation that I was having with Human Incorporated. Human was the one who made the headphones that I kind of enjoyed, but the sound quality and the performance just wasn't as good. I like the design, but not the sound quality at all. So they had a 30-day return policy that they offered on their website, and a lot of people that were reviewing them were also talking about that as well. So I decided to take up that offer because they started at $400, which was a lot of money and definitely took a couple times to kind of consider it. But then they changed the price to $259, and I thought, perfect, I'll buy those. So I ended up purchasing them. I received them on August 30th. And then I decided to use them and realized they are not that good. They have no noise insulation. There's a bunch of stuff. I did a review on them. I did an unboxing. And hopefully you've seen those videos because this video is supposed to help you kind of understand what I was talking about when I was saying don't buy these headphones. So within that 30 days, I think it was the 25th. So 26 days later, I decided to contact Human and I wanted to get a refund. And I wanted to send it back and see what we could do. So I contacted them and I said, I'm having too many issues with the quality and the usability of the buds and would like to return these. My order number is whatever. Thank you for your help. And they messaged me back and say, unfortunately, all sales are final and we are not able to offer refunds. If there was a warranty issue, please let us know. If our ability to accept returns changes, we will reach out to you immediately. On that last part, I highly doubt that they would do that because if they're already doing all sales final now, they're probably not going to be wanting to give people money back unless some legal action happens, but who knows what's going to happen there. So I told them I did purchase these headphones during the time that Human was offering a 30-day return guarantee and learned that this morning that the company has stopped offering that. I'm hoping that there is something we can do to fix this one time. And they responded, unfortunately, no, your purchase was made more than 30 days ago as well. That's it. To which I responded, my purchase was over 30 days ago, but they were received on August 30th, which was 26 days ago. Which is true. If it took them 30 days to send an item to me, then how would that 30-day warranty even apply to me? Also, the funny thing is they were offering to help me with warranty issues, which is a 30-day warranty, but they aren't going to return it, which was a 30-day return. That didn't make sense at all. Then the last message they sent me is, I'm sorry, but we are still unable to provide returns. So yeah, I would definitely not recommend buying them from that company. Feel free to buy them on like eBay or Amazon if they are selling them on there, because even then they have buyer protection or they'll say no returns or whatever it may be. But either way, it's pretty obviously stated up there. And if they say it's 14 days or 30 days, it'll actually guarantee that. So I definitely wouldn't recommend buying it from the company. Plus, a lot of people are selling them online for less than the $259 price. But I still don't really think that's a good deal. I like the design. I love the design. I think it's awesome, but it's just the quality and the amount of time. That's the crazy thing. They've spent like over 2 years working on these, and this is the best that we get. I don't know. I don't want to say it's a scam, but either it is or no one at that company has used headphones other than those headphones because they are, yeah, not as good as they should be. But either way, I'm going to end the video there. I just want to let you guys know what is happening, and I am filing a dispute, and we will see what the results for that is. I don't want to keep these headphones. I want to return them, but if they reject my return, I guess I can sell them or give them to someone. I haven't really decided, but yeah, that's a lot of money to put out, and especially since I want to return the headphones. It's not that okay, obviously I do want the money back, but it's not that I want to get over on that company. It's just it's unfair for them to offer you a 30-day trial and then not go through with that 30-day trial. I mean, even if you look on their website, they updated their warranty information on September 13th. And I'm trying to find exactly the page where they say that they offer a 30-day return, whatever, because that's kind of shady business to be doing. And hopefully they fix the sound issue if they ever come out with a second generation one. But from what I've been seeing and how everything's been going with other people that are reviewing them, I don't think they're going to be coming out with the second generation, or at least not under the Human name. But anyway, that's all I wanted to talk about. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Well, kind of. And I will be doing more review and repair videos, so look forward to those. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section or on Twitter at MattofRDBR. Feel free to follow me on the social media listed above. And remember, do not buy those headphones. Thanks for watching.